Welcome to another video. Today unboxing video of a mask for exercise which I got from China, and it's called Fobro Sport Mask 3. Because I ordered this from my brother because he's doing lots of exercise, and I don't do because I don't like exercise. So that's why I just open it, see what it look like. So I got for the cheap price from China, and I also share the link with you in the description if you like, and see how it looks like. Because my brother do lots of exercise every day. He's slim, fit, but still he love it exercise. I don't know how you do that, like how you focus too much, especially when you're in college, do work and exercise as well, and play a sport like play soccer as well for your team, for the club. 3-4 things in one day. It's difficult to be honest. I love to do only work and college. I don't like do anymore. So, nice. Oh, great. And made in China. Unlock your full potential. Focus for me. So that's the. You can see the manual in English, Chinese. Yep. How to do it. So let's open. Oh God. So, for hint, that's the mask. I don't know what they call it, but it's JL. Throw away, do not eat. Yeah, I know it's poison, and that's some trigger. So yeah, it's high quality mask. Because lots of people have a problem when they order from China. They think, yeah, their quality not that good. Some problem in their quality, but yeah, the quality of this mask is great. And I think this the level 1, 2, 3, 4. There, I don't think so. You can see, if you can see, there is the focus. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can change as well. So that's the mask with the case. With this and this as well. So I like this mask. It's a great one. I will try as well, but I don't think so I can do it, because for me exercise is one of the hardest thing in this world. So but still I'll try. And if you like this one, so I will share a link with you in the description, so you can order from there. I bought this from Aliexpress. Nowadays you can buy lots of stuff from Aliexpress with a cheap price, and day by day they improve their quality as well, because like before in 2010-11 they just normally sell the the clone phones or the clone stuffs, but I think after 3-4 years later, like 2013 or 14, they decide to stop the clones and focus on the original stuff. So nowadays they sell lots of refurbished original phone and original cloth, even this is original as well, because the quality of this thing is great. So yeah, I'll share a link with you in the description if you like, or if you want to buy, so you can buy from there. So I think that's it for today. So if you like my videos, please like it. If you don't like it, so please comment and tell me what's the problem and where is the problem, so I will work on that. And please share as well and subscribe as well. Thank you for watching, so I'll see you in the next video.